Hi, I'm Dustin here on behalf of Expert Village here at AA Calisters, and today we're going to polish this this black boot here. Now, polishing is really simple. There's not a lot to it. What we do is we need to get something like this. So this is a polish applicator. Just a simple little horsehair brush. Right color the best we can. And we take it and we apply rather generously, just kind of dab it on there, put little circles. And what that does is just kind of works it into there so you can get the scratches out of the top grain that we had put in there from hard use. Have a nice even coat on there. Now keep in mind this does get messy, so we might want to, if you do it on a countertop, we might want to lay down a napkin or something so just the polish doesn't get all over. Now we want to let that sit for just a minute. Now while we do that, we're going to grab a rag like this. Just an old rag. Might want to use like what I use at home. I just use an old t-shirt. I tear it up. It works perfect for it. Even an old chamois. And we want to roll that up. And what we're going to do is we're going to wipe off the excess here. So grab the boot like this. You'll see I'm wearing an apron because, well, obviously I don't want to get my clothes all nice and dirty. So we want to kind of pull off that excess. Want to leave a nice thin layer because that's what's covering up those scratches and dents that we put in hard work. Now we take a polishing brush like this, and it's just, again, a horsehair brush. And what this does is, you'll see it's dull. It's a flat finish. And we want to just kind of nice, even little strokes. And now when I'm not pressing too hard, it's just basically glancing off the top of it. And what this does is it gets a nice sheen to it, as you'll see. Get a nice sheen on it. Now once we do that, we want to take that rag we wipe the excess off with. And we want to kind of, this boot's a little difficult to hold, but we'll work with it. And we want to pull this back and forth with that excess we had on there. Just a little tip for you. That there also gets a better sheen on it. Some people like to use a different rag. I like to keep the one I just used because you don't waste as much polish on it. And we just want to, and then one more quick over it. You just one more right over it, and you'll get that polishing it just once again. All right, and that's basically you're ready for a night on the town.